Welcome to my channel, MyTechNotes. Finally, the wait is over. Kling 3.0 is finally here. If you haven't heard of Higgsfield, they are the fastest growing AI company out there. Their goal is simple: to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. And Kling 3.0, it's their brand new video engine. Think of it as a professional movie studio that lives right inside your computer. Most AI video tools feel like a guessing game, but Kling 3.0 is different. It's multimodal. That's just a fancy way of saying it can understand scripts, images, and audio all at the same time. The coolest part? Multi-shot generation. Usually, AI gives you one short clip at a time. Kling 3.0 can generate a whole sequence. It handles the camera movement, the transitions, and the flow of the story automatically. Have you ever noticed AI characters changing their face mid-video? Kling 3.0 fixes that. It locks in the character and the scene. So even if the camera zooms or pans, everything stays consistent. And let's talk about the voices. It has native audio. This means characters can actually speak. The lip sync is natural, it supports different languages, and it even understands local dialects. So, what can you actually do with it? First, action scenes, like car chases that feel real. Second, emotions, close-ups that show real fear or joy. Third, clear text. You can finally read signs and labels in AI videos. And finally, longer clips. It generates up to 15 seconds of smooth action. In short, this is likely the best AI video model on the market right now. It's a massive upgrade from the old version 2.6. It's faster, smarter, and much easier for beginners to use. Now I know you want to see this in action, and I've got you covered. In my next video, I will be giving you a complete end-to-end demo of Kling 3.0 video generation. We'll go from a simple prompt all the way to a finished cinematic sequence. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss the walkthrough. What feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. To get started, head over to the Higgsfield AI landing page. Once you're there, click on Video. You'll see a few different models available like Kling 2.6, Sora, and Cinema Studio. But since we're looking for the latest tech, go ahead and select Kling 3.0. Now, this is where the magic happens. You can enter your prompt for a text-to-video generation right here. One of the best parts about Kling 3.0 is the control it gives you. You can actually select a start frame and an end frame to guide your video perfectly. Now, let's talk about multi-shot. You can toggle this on or off depending on your project. If you turn it on, you can add multiple shots with different durations and different camera angles, all in one go. To keep everything looking professional and to maintain consistency, make sure to add an element into each shot. You can choose a duration anywhere from a quick 3 seconds all the way up to 15 seconds. As soon as you hit that generate button, the engine will start processing your prompt. In my next video, I'm going to do a deep dive and show you exactly how to generate a complete video using frames, elements, and multi-shots using Kling 3.0. You won't want to miss it. So, To wrap everything up, Kling 3.0 is a massive leap forward for anyone making videos with AI. We're moving away from random 3-second clips and moving toward real professional storytelling. The biggest takeaway today is that Higgsfield has built a unified engine. Whether you're using text, images, or audio as your starting point, Kling 3.0 keeps everything consistent. You no longer have to worry about your characters' faces changing or the background melting every time the camera moves. With the new multi-shot feature, you can actually direct a scene. You can set your start and end frames, choose your camera angles, and let the AI handle the cinematic transitions for you. And the best part? The native audio means your characters aren't just moving. They're speaking with natural lip sync and grounded sound effects. Whether you're working on a car chase with realistic physics, an emotional close-up, or an ad that needs crystal clear text, Kling 3.0 is, without a doubt, the model to beat right now. It's faster, it's smarter, and it's built specifically for creators like us. But wait, we're just getting started. In my very next video, I'm taking you inside the platform for a full end-to-end demo. I'll show you exactly how to use frames, elements, and shots to build a complete cinematic sequence from scratch. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that walkthrough. Thanks for watching MyTechNotes, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching MyTechNotes. I'll see you in the next one for the full demo.